Hey tech lovers, welcome back to iAnisTech. If you think phone batteries have peaked, think again. OPPO is about to shake up the global market in 2026 with the brand new Reno 15 lineup. We are talking about massive 7,000 mAh batteries, 200 megapixel cameras, and the latest Snapdragon power. Today we're breaking down the Reno 15, the 15F, the Pro, and the Pro Max. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about the base model, the Reno 15 5G. For the global market, OPPO made a huge switch. Instead of MediaTek, the global version is powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4. It features a crisp 6.59-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. But the real star here is the camera. You get a massive 200MP main sensor with OIS, plus a 50MP telephoto lens for those perfect portraits. And for battery life, it packs a 6500 mAh battery with 80W fast charging. This isn't just a base model, it's a beast. Now, if you want endurance, look at the Reno 15F. This phone is built differently. While it runs on the slightly more modest Snapdragon 6 Gen 1, it crushes the competition with a gigantic 7000 mAh battery. Yes, you heard that right. It keeps the 200MP main camera but swaps the telephoto for a macro lens. If your priority is a phone that lasts for days without charging, the F variant is the one to watch. But what if you want pure performance? That's where the Reno 15 Pro and Pro Max come in. Both are powered by the incredibly fast MediaTek Dimensity 845. The Pro model is for those who love compact phones, coming in with a 6.32-inch screen. The Pro Max, on the other hand, gives you a massive 6.78-inch display for the ultimate gaming and movie experience. Both phones feature the ultimate triple camera setup, 200MP main, 50MP ultrawide, and a 50MP telephoto with 3.5x optical zoom. Whether it's day or night, these cameras are ready. Across the whole lineup, OPPO is giving us the latest Android 16 running on ColorOS 16. And durability? All four models come with IP69 certification, meaning they are dust-tight and can handle high-pressure water sprays. Plus, you get 50-watt wireless charging on most models. OPPO is clearly not holding back for 2026. Prices haven't been revealed yet for Europe and the global market, but with specs like these, the competition should be worried. Which model would you pick? The compact Pro or the massive battery Reno 15F? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this update, smash that like button and subscribe to iAnisTech for more tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.